In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Google Sheets into your website blog. Start by opening the Google Sheet you want to showcase. With the sheet open, go to the top menu and choose File. Then Share, and click Publish to Web. This is the feature that creates a shareable version of your sheet, specifically for embedding on websites. When the dialog box appears, switch to the Embed tab. This tells Google you want an iframe code, not just a link. Next, decide whether you want to publish the entire document or only a specific sheet from the drop-down. If your file has multiple tabs, but you only need one visible on your site, selecting that single sheet keeps things clean and focused for your readers. Now click the Publish button and confirm the action. Keep in mind that publishing makes the selected content publicly viewable to anyone who can access the page it's embedded on. If your spreadsheet contains private information, consider creating a copy with only the data you want to share before publishing. Once it's published, Google generates an iframe code for you. Highlight and copy that entire code. This is what you'll place on your site to display the sheet. Head over to your website or blog's editing interface and open the exact post or page where you want the sheet to appear. Switch your editor from the visual or rich text view to the HTML or text view. This is important. Pasting the code into the visual editor usually won't work because it interprets code as plain text. Paste the iframe code right where you want the sheet to show up within the HTML editor. By default, the embedded sheet might look a bit small. You can make it fit your layout by adjusting the width and height parameters inside the iframe. For example, change them to width equal 100% and height equal 600 pixel to make the sheet span the full width of its container with a comfortable height. Feel free to tweak those numbers later, based on how it appears on your page. If your site is responsive, using 100% width helps the embed scale nicely on different screen sizes. That's it. Thanks for watching.